Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to explain how can you get rid of a smelly armpit. How can you get rid of a smelly armpit by using baking soda. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. There are so many ways and how can you get rid of a smelly armpit. The first way, you can use baking soda, which I'm going to explain it today. Also, you can use lemon. Some people they use turmeric tea, and also you can use apple cider vinegar. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you use baking soda to get rid of a smelly armpit. So let's dive in. Okay, so after making that paste, you're going to apply that paste to your armpit. And make sure that after applying the paste, make sure that until the paste dries. After drying, you can wash away the paste by using water. So after doing that, you're going to get rid of the smelly armpit. So it is like this. The skin naturally it contains an acid. So you're going to use baking soda will also help to neutralize the acid and making it to become stable. So help to get rid of bad smell. But when you use this way and they see there's no any improvement, make sure that you go to see a doctor, because there are some of the health conditions which can cause smelly armpit. For example, it can be hormonal imbalances can cause a smelly armpit. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.